Now, class 7, Radiant Readers, chapter 7, Raja Bhoje. Now, the question answer. Today, the question answer. All of you prepare to write down the question. Question number 1. What happened? What happened when the lizard come to drink water? Question number 1. What happened when the lizard come to drink water? Right. Now, all of you write the answer. One day a great blue-headed lizard came to the water's brink. He was very thirsty. Now, when he approached to the pool, he did not notice the jackal. But when he was going to drink water, Raja Bhoje prevented him from drinking water. Now, and Raja Bhoje asked him if the lizard wanted to drink water, first of all he had to pay tribute to Raja Bhoje. Then he would be allowed to drink water. Now, that is question number 1 answer. Okay. Question number 2. Why Raja Bhoje prevented lizard from drinking water? Why Raja Bhoje prevented lizard from drinking water? Answer. Raja Bhoje prevented lizard from drinking water because it was the custom of every birds and animals of the forest to pay tribute to Raja Bhoje and then drink water from the water's brink. But as the lizard was so thirsty and came to drink water without paying tribute to Raja Bhoje became very angry and asked the lizard to pay tribute to the jackal first. Jackal means Raja Bhoje. To pay tribute the jackal, Raja Bhoje first, and then he would be allowed to drink water. Full stop. Then you write, as the lizard was going to drink water without paying tribute to Raja Bhoje prevented the lizard from drinking water. Now, number 3. What happened at the end of the story? Now, Raja Bhoje allowed the lizard to drink 1 sip of water. Full stop. As the lizard was very thirsty and he requested Raja Bhoje that he would die if he was not allowed to drink water. Full stop. Raja Bhoje thought he was the king. He should look after the welfare of all the subjects, subjects. So he allowed the lizard to drink water. But the lizard was drinking the water and became full. Instead of taking 1 sip, he completed almost all of his stomach with full. He made his stomach full with water. Then Raja Bhoje said, "Stop, I allowed you to take only 1 sip and you are taking so much of water." Then the jackal stopped and then he said that, "Okay, now I should pay tribute to you." Then he said that, All of you look at the book and write these lines. On a stone bepattered with mud. You have to write these lines. A dirty old shoe on his ear. Sits a wicked jackal who calls himself Raja Bhoje. Write these lines. All of you look at the book. On a stone bepattered with mud. A dirty old shoe on his ear. Sits a wicked jackal who calls himself Raja Bhoje. Now write this, then you write. So these words are not a tribute to Raja Bhoji, it was all the insulting words. So the lizard, having delivered this scornful speech, flipped his tail and made off into the jungle. And the furious jackal ran after him. Okay, my students, this is all the question answer. Okay, you listen again and again and write it down. Okay, thank you very much. Next day another chapter. Okay, another new chapter.